dear professors, deans, administrators, honored graduates, and families. I am honored to address you today. On behalf of the graduating master's students of antique photographs and paper heritage, I would like to thank all the parents, schools, families, and friends who encourage and support us as we work towards our graduation degree. It is joy and an honor to celebrate today. And before I say anything, I want to recognize that I don't think that anyone can speak for the diversity of his experiences and obstacles overcome by those pin drops today. However, we share a feeling of pride and glory in this special moment. My dear friends and fellow graduates, we did it. We all accomplished one of the major milestones of our life and career. We all worked hard to get to this day, and our work did not go to the waste. 3 years ago, each one of us made the firm decision to pursue a postgraduate degree in conservation science and saving heritage as well. However, choosing conservation of antique photographs and paper heritage international master degree program was the common denominator between us. I bet in the middle of it, most of us discovered that it wasn't that easy. We faced the difficulties and some other troublesome issues. We refused to take the easier choice and give up. We stuck together, and we stuck through it all, and we challenged it all, and we challenged all our hard circumstances. Today, and with pride, we are gathered here to celebrate our success. It is a historical occasion because we are the first cohort of the international master degree, which has been conferred on 19th June 2017. This program was created in a collaboration between Catania University and Hiwan University in Egypt, with a scholarship from Masr Khair Foundation to promote strong university education in the field of antique photographs and paper heritage conservation science, which is the first in the Middle East and the Arab region as well. Now we can raise our head up high for what we have accomplished in the past 2 academic years. Before we close this chapter in our life and start the next one, I would like to take this important chance to acknowledge all the people that have been there for us along the way. Today, all our families for our loves and guardians through the years, to our professors from Catania University and from Egypt, who gave us all the knowledge, support, and experience that they have with patience and love. To the administrators who have been there always, who understand all the difficulties we have passed through, and caring about answering all questions and thoughts. In addition, I would like to admit that without Masr Khair Foundation, this dream won't come true. Who gave from a percentage to fully funded opportunities in this master program for the majority of the students during our academic journey and as well during our traveling for the practical research part at Catania University. From a preventive conservation point of view, antique photographers and antique photographs collectors won't allow untrained hands to touch their collections. Challenging all the expectations, Mr. Francis Amin put his precious, rare antique collection at our disposal. Without his private collection donation, many practical conservation practices and treatments as well as many thesis piece of research wouldn't be completed. Again, this is a day of celebration. It is also a time to reflect on the opportunities and the challenges ahead. Now, 22 specialized antique photographs conservators from the different institutions and cities are here. Many of you are destined to become a photographs and paper conservator, seniors and supervisors at your institutions, and I incline to believe that this is not the end of our academic journey. Hence, the journey of my fellow peers here they are intent to apply for a PhD degree in conservation science. Finally, I would like to conclude, not with a memorize or not with a memory, but with some advice. You know that I'm going to tell some advice. Never give up, my colleagues. Never give up learning from all the conservators around you, even the emerging. And to my dear fellows, you should understand that you are lucky that you become a conservators, since most of the conservators all around the world love their jobs. I would like to quote Dr. Harvey Ward, and he always saying to us, you are the doctors of civilization. Thank you again, and congratulations.